Da or de pama sa test le shui yi an tari on zu la de la squares and square root re de rang ma de square chair de ne summit somebody. I will continue this week and I will try to complete this chapter today. Okay, that now double chance out finding squares of a number double chance out da. Okay, so now do the job you revise you and perfect square number is somewhat example case to stay with okay, then you do it. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, and 9 square 81. Our first 9 perfect squares. Square the first 9 natural number or the first 9 perfect squares. Okay, the data is important. Odd number square than answer odd, even number square than answer even, odd number square than answer odd. The square of odd number is odd, and square even number is even. Depending on the division, and then the dinner number we have 1, unity 4, 6, first 9, 6, 5, leader 1, 4, 9, 6, and 5 delayed. Okay, that numbers 5, 6, the less of 9, the less of 4, the layer, and 1, the layer. That number could then I'll make your order. Then number first 9, 2, 3, 7, 8. Okay. So then the first step that you check whether the given number is perfect square or not, that money, you check the unit digit. Right? If the unit digit are of 2, 3, 7, 8, number is not perfect square. So the perfect square number la unit digit 2, 3, 7, 8 number cannot be perfect square if its unit digit is 2, 3, 7, and 8. That doubt here. If the unit digit of a number are of 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, perfect square re mares. Yimba yungre, member yungres. Is Jiron is Jingne the Tang Kai Roy Jigne Chik Shi Gunga perfect square me Chabatalna, teacher. Member yungra, Princess 14 division. 14 is not perfect square, but the 1, 14. 2, 7 of 14. Very chipuching very chipuching need for Ramunda, therefore 14 is not perfect square. Factor said well, Tangi Chambu the lesson of the Karisas. To the factor perfect square in redo remedy theodora, we have two methods prime factorization and division method. And division method on the lotum yomar in division page than decoding it. This is an perfect square to remedy check that. Okay. The prime factor method perfect square redo remedy to perfect square mena perfect square imesana perfect square sonat over and actually given number the perfect square number the number correct square or their prime factor method and correct division method color nina software. Okay, first step la check is 96 a perfect square perfect square is 96 a perfect square 96 perfect square 96 factor you find the prime factor of 96. Even number though, you do have 2, 2, 4, 8, 1, 2, 8, 16. Again, even number, you do have 2, 2, 4. Even number, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, and 3, 1, 3. Two stars are 96. And then the revision chair down the jar. A prime factorization method, you learn in lower classes also. Then two jar and then two jar. So the ball copy the rational number da. Exponent. So 96 can be as a product of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So how many times 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 multiplied by 3. That didn't alone square number multiplied by number itself. Number you double the equal factors. Equal factors in the you circle the double of equal factors. Factor chipu nila goyada. A group says so. The what is left? It doesn't have a pay and this doesn't have a pay. Chamindo, middle the money and 96 is not a perfect square. Because the number 96 is not perfect. Then case kissing it to 144. Is this a 144 or perfect square? You find the prime factor 144. 2, with the direction you combine it, 2 7 2 2 2 3 6 1 2 6 12. Again 2 18. That much say 2 9 3 3 and 3 1 3. So 144 is equal to 144 is a product of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 by 3. Prime factors product of as a prime factor, then this product of prime factor. That didn't alone 144 the number factor you put in groups. You group the double of equal factors. All factors are pay or no factors are left over without pay. Means somebody if 144 is a perfect square. Then this is the prime factor. I was saying the topic left us 144 perfect square. Can you factor you need do this? So factor you need this na factor you need make it how Windows. Yeah, how me that I'll give number the perfect square. Then 2 the 3 ya 2 the 3 ko ya Windows. Rogo me ba cha me ba and then give number the perfect square mares. The perfect square in buena perfect square can say yes. The square is na made near da. Made the perfect square and the roina. Okay, oh, that can do. The perfect square mena perfect square so not to us. The list number to be multiplied and divide lighting again. Class 8 next topic cube and cube renew the labo. Right? I'm going to change the number. Yeah. Cube the cube next chapter of the bang and profit square so that do that. And then can go out. Look, I don't know do me. We'll straight go to how to find perfect square root by factor method and division method. The benefit is now. Oh, that's square root. Square root. Square. Square of x. X is the power 2 theta. Square of x. Square root of x na. X raised to power half the la and square root lit. Denominator 2 da denominator 2 the root lit da. Square root of square 2 is the square root. Denominator power 3 ne cube of x power 3 ne cube root lit. The square or square root of x ne the answer expression now. Kashi do stir. This is nothing but square root. Look at square root of x. X raised to power half can be written as square root of x. A radical delta called radical sign it. Square root of this. Then Chidamara call also murder. So now Tamong this thing is do that. Oh, the square says on the number Angchambudi number change correct multiplication later. Tala square says on the niche like prime factors method and division method. The perfect square remain the prime factors change na. The prime factors method kashigi LCM method the LCM method in your march. The prime factorization method dine and LCM sana. Prime factors method dine SCF sana dota. The prime factorization method yours and LCM method your marta. Okay. The prime factors method did example to find square root of 196. Perfect square there. 196. Okay, okay. The 196 or you can write as 196 raised to power half. Then that's what? Or as of 196 196. Square root of 196. Okay. The question did this how dollar got the perfect square number takes. Perfect square number mean approximate san to go on. So the perfect square number in that I hope 196 perfect square made a team do. Down da. Okay, 196. Now you find prime factor. That their divisibility test what we have learned in previous class 6 and below. Okay, last number even the say 2 1 draw you combine it 19. 2 9 18 draw 2 9 18. So 19 18 matana we get 1. Left with 1 dash. So this becomes 16. 2 8 16. Again you drop it 2 even number the 2 4 8 you take 1 out. 2 9 18. That's 7 7 49 and 7 1 7. This is also okay. Square root kit number square root of this square root of 196 is equal to this t. Then radical sign you write radical sign over here. Square root of 30. Now you put all the prime factors. Then you allow the prime factor perfect square rather we group double equal factors. Then that equal factor you take it 1. Rare mate. Okay, the 2 square need 2 you take 1 2 out. The 7 need you take 1 7 out. Multiply 2 7 14. The square root of 196 is 14 number. 14 multiplied by 14 gave 196 strike those loud. That means square root of 14 is 196 and square root of 196 is 14. Example going to stay example let's say 225. You find the square root of 225 of prime factors. You find the prime factor of 225. Last digit 5 you always divide by 5. And last 5. 5 that version you combine these two 22. 5 4 today. 24. That 22 ne 20 marthana 2 left. You write over here 2, carry over here 25. 25 5 5 so 25. Again you drop it 5. 5 9 so 45. 3 3 3 and 3 1 so 3. So square root of 225 is equal to right? 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. The 5 you take 1 5, 3 you take 3. So multiply 8 15. Prime factor. Okay, that gives a decimal point in a decimal point gets you to the then prime factor method or the prime factor method. Find the square root of or prime factorization method. Our prime factorization is 7.29 says. The decimal point you change decimal point you change to fraction change here. Okay. Prime factorization decimal point don't matter. You change to fraction. 7.29 is equal to 7 to 90. Denominator you place 2 dash 0. 100 place to a 10th, 100 place to the smart. Now you find the prime factor of 7 to 9. 7 to 9 or square root room with 7 to 9 last number odd so this number is not divisible by 3 to the you add the digit. Then you need them go good 18 d 3 to in the number is divisible by 3. 3 2 is 6, 1 left, 12, 3 4 is 12, 3 is again you drop it 3 order the number find square and 3 8 is 21, so it's 3 is 24, 3 1 3. Again you do over 2, 27. 3 do 2 9, 3, 3 and 3 1 3. Okay. So square root of this here is equal to square root of this one. Or 7 and 29 is prime factor somewhat 30. Take ni so see 2 we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 2. The denominator of the 100 100 prime factors you draw matter. Factors are 0 ni 0 ni 10 multiplied by 10. 0 shi na 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. 0 ni is 10 multiplied by 10. I'm going to that numerator factor you put in 3 chik 3 ni ne you take 3 out. Yang 3 ni 3 ni ne you take 3 out. That 10 ni ne 10 ni 10 ni ne chik 3 is 9, 9 is 27 upon 10. That is denominator 0 also. 0 chik ang chik dula and decimal point 2.7. So looks out there. Let out. Can you try that? Now 3.24 try. Okay, 3.24. Square root of 3.24. 3.24. Okay, root 3, 2, 4. Those still a fraction change. Decimal point also check ni do angi ni zamba 0 ni shas 1 che 0 ni do scarce. Now you find the prime factor of 324. Say the rock is 324. Or last number even you do have a 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4. The 2 multiplication factor 7 and get 2 do 2 8 16 1. The odd number is 8 plus 1 9 3 do 8 1 3 27 and get 3 9 and then 3 3 and 3 1. So this can be written as square root prime factor check ni 2 ni do 3 how many times 1 2 3 4. So see divided by 0 ni 0 ni equals. Okay, 2 ni ne 2 chik martins. 3 ni ne 3 chik martins. 3 ni ne 3 chik martins. 10 ni ne 10 chik martins. Radical sign me also or square root me also. Number correct square. Oh, this is square root das. This good up. Oh, you have the number the square root das. The fact you multiply 3 is 9, 9 to 18 upon 10. That's the logic 1 a the angichik dula point. Or to find square root by prime factors method. The prime factors chip would do cut it. Okay, that is the last sector. This is find the square root of find the square root of 841. The square root of 841 sound or down. 841 sound number they call the 2 2 there. In a place 1 odd number given number is odd number. Right? See that 2 2 3 2 number thumbs 8 plus 4 12 12 plus 1 13 or 13 3 2 minus 5 2 prime number next numbers 5 5 2 the unit digit 5 or 0 level the 5 2 those. That's 7 2 there. I'm not sure 7 divisible test color cards 7 8 4 1 7 7 1 7 1 4 2 6 14 1 7 0 0 remaining 1 is link window that then you have to the but next you try by 11 to the 8 4 1 you place from odd even odd ni dom 9 even 34 you find the difference. Fine. And difference either multiple of 11 or 0 level 1000 보자라 11 더 도민다 다 셀 가다 this should sort of sell. This is one time consuming pay one with the money. Time save chela method new account. Method long division method. School didn't sell. I'm going to look at the take the money. Not a long division method said, I got seeing those. The method got sell. Della a division method. To find squared by division method. The division method to the money, you have to understand bar is the shareholder. Then you got 841 just okay. You always write bar from the unit place. One place needs to draw. Or from decimal point. The decimal point didn't so angini bar to stay. Lot of Kasha to sting here. Kashatika to ting here. I say it's a lot of the Tasna, because errors, Payu, lot of the error there. A CBS a lot of black error table, back of the stand. And I ain't error thing the tongue. I need near parala, bar rating. To a bar the category it determines number of digits in the square root of the given number. That there are 841 unit is a caleguna. Digit calculate digit needles. This square la digit near, nay, tongue later is like 2 digit numbers. They're guessing it was not. For the stena, that didn't number carry in a digit to see there. Nissan or space by bani doa, bani the given number digit square rula, angini machining marta. Unit digit and tens place. They need angini machining marsla. Digini girly to wrestler, but it's not. The bad delapage, I'm not just their daughter. That Della must question, you have to understand the first 9 natural numbers. This question order. In the conversion. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square in the thing and 9 square. 81, 64, 49, 36, 25, 16, 9, 4 and 1. The professor can say, other methods are called only there. Method locked down method to the jury in here, addition method. I can method curl out the page. I should double down a card. Okay. The 841, the division method too smart to the way right over here. 41. First step la one's place is to Bartilasa, Bartina. Okay. The first bar the Kazudo. Digit Kazudo, first bar the Angichi digit Mushimda, Angi 8 Mushimda, or the 8 Dimiosa something. 8 Meosela, 8 la exact figure, Yaman 8 exact winner, less than 8. So the first 3 square 9, and 9 is greater than 8. Exact Mindua, perfect square number. Means the body less than 8 cardo. We have 4. 4 correct square though. 2 square. So multiply 2 square is equal to 8. So 2 times 2, 4. You subtract. Then you load it to that. Okay. Now you subtract 8 minus 4, we get 4. Oh, that is the bar that I'm going to 41. Need Niga map of water. You place this down. 41. That is Zosa. Oh, the next you double this number. 2 double down to 2 to 4. Or the tens place here. Now try to put a number over here. Unit digit number to some. Digit number to the money. Unit digit number to digit has do. Unit place out 1 door or 1 cardo. 1 and 1 digit place 1 together. Or either you put 21 or you put 29. 9. The 4 in the bar. 1 luna, you multiply by 1. 9 luna, you multiply by 9. If I put 1 luna, 41 ones are 41. But units are 441. 9 twice in that. 9 9 is 81, 1, 8, 36 plus 8, 44. Exactly. So 9 over here, you write put 9 over here. So 4, 4, 1, 0. The square root of 841 is this. Square root of 841 is equal to 29. That double the mama name on which the double time test color how to don't unit. And the double so double time. 4 digit the level, the 6 the 5 the 8 the digit double time color how to the only cherry the money. Thing it example it find the square root of 1024. Dustina square root of 1024 la. Okay, given number the unit digit 4 is the bar and number digit 4 number either unit place 2 or unit place 8 charters. Thing information jet to that and the test last year. Right. Okay, the next 1024 is the bar. Then the near one's place na angini the bar to the okay, this is. Thank you, double down the method to that. Okay, first bar we have 10. 10 is the bar, the 10 is nearest perfect square, exact net to what? Number perfect square. Mena 10 nearest number of the square. Right, which is less. Okay, 10 is not perfect square. Perfect square means 10 you should 10 you should need 4 square 16 and 3 square 9. The 10 angi kit 10 new at kit 10 new 9 do or 9 karigu square do 90 3 square do. Sitanga kit bunny 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. You subtract 3 multiplied by 3. Okay. Now you subtract 10 minus 9 equals to 1. That replace the manuga map of the Diniga map with that 24 the map on I get 24 those are there. That 3 double down. 3 double 3 2 1 which 3 2 are there. Uncle they uncle has in a samala double tangi store. The 3 angi which the 3 3 double down today. 3 times 3 3 times 3 so 3 2 is 6 or one's place so much one's place la 10th place the the one's place the angi did number zosa zumba the unit is 4 in a unit is 4 unit is 4 either 2 or 8 square okay that number 62 in a you multiply by 2 68 in a you multiply by 8 and 8 is 64 2 is 4 unit is 4 in but the lagala yaman 2 square 2 yaman 8 square 2 those are or 8 square 8 is 64 6 8 4 6 48 48 plus 8 50 so 6 54 but one is 2 into 4 2 6 12 exactly you put 2 over here you put 2 over here you get 124 0 therefore 1029 sorry 31024 square root of 1024 is equal to 32. That is there. Square it. Okay. Thank you to get the try. You may need a saw. Here's this right. You find the square root of 9801. Okay, first step the batila swing. There's near 10 ta 9801 again how batis. Angi the bus chigney the course from the one's place you write bar taking 2 digits at a time. Right? In bar near the that they have first bar have 98. You try to find a number nearest to 98. 81 81 correct square 81 is square of 9. So 9 times 9 you get 81. You subtract 81 98 minus 81. So when you subtract we get 7 and 1. That the angniga map of 0 1 popsang there. It gives him 8 to go much. Okay. The 9 double down. 9 double down 9 to 18. Always leave the one's place empty. You have to fill up this number. The digit number 1 length 1 length this to either is 1 or 9. So 181 lunani 181 but chungna so so place 9 189 luna you multiply by 9 9 is 81 8 72 72 plus 8 80 right 8 9 1 9 17 170 tadasa so put 9 over here and 9 over here 1701 therefore square root of 9801 is equal to 99 or you can write as 9801 is equal to 99 square. Try that. Find square root of 1089. Last number the last practice. Doing a decimal point. Get on with the bar house lido. Passum lido, chick lido, nilido. Baldba, chignini, angini sutik, angini part take there. Angini gonna take now also take nilido or step nil sagda. It is because it has this given number 1 through 89. Square root of 1 through 89 has only 2 digits. And this is made step nil sagda. This is some step some sagda. This is she step she sagda. Bar tanga bar ni the step ni bar some in a step some bar she in a step she. Angi digit mounted ba a step mounted. And now to the Giola at least 4 digits per the ratio. You may think by the number 6, 7, 8 digits per door, and then you got good. And now you're 4 digits in the level of the okay. 1, 0, 8, 9. In one's place, you write bar and bar. Things are okay. Since it has 2 bar, the given number square root given number has only 2 digits. The image of Marta. Okay. This is the washing me, private washing man, and made the sumbang at level of stop. I think it's a try. Right. Oh, the first 10 nearest number. 10 nearest number did 3 square. Right, 3 times 3 equals to 9. And 4 times 4, 16 mount as well. Okay. You subtract, we get 1, 8, 9 map ups. 3 double downs, we get 6. 3 multiplied by 2, we get 6. Or 1's place number shots. The unit teacher got 9 9 3 square and 9 7 square and 9 3 square and 9 or 7 square and 9 3 square 9 and 7 square 49 in the unit teacher 9 and 3 that's 7 then you put 63 luna you multiply by 3 69 7 luna and 7 luna 1's place you multiply by 7 okay 7 6 42 Mindoa cheddar 3 6 18 tali doa so try this part 9 18 3 you write over here 3 1 89 0 therefore square root of 1089 is equal to 33 tang ge dinna shi chini ma decimal point chi puching er decimal point try together. Find the square root of 77.44, not 44. 77.44 twice. The prime factor division method la cut to try that. Division method the part is 77.44. Yeah, I think it's a bar to the bottom. One's place in the bar T as doesn't point in the one's place then or the Niago. Angin bate doesn't point just the mob. Think of the whole number in the bar, one's place signature. That doesn't point the bar, doesn't point yet or that. Decimal point didn't get number to some decimal point and our knee ni le ma ju decimal point gel number na decimal point gel number ni ju the first part of the 77 da 77 nearest number kar do 8 square 64 9 square 81 81 is greater than 77 ni wo ine ka da cheta sa so you take 64 64 raw la kar 64 kar square do 8 square so 8 is 64 subtract so 7 minus 4 3 1 the decimal point though, you put decimal point over here and then you take it down 44 the next 8 double down you get 16 or one's place it there one's place and the unit is 4 the 4 and over here and 4 2 square for the 8 square for the either should be unit place 2 or 8 so 2 na 162 you multiply by 2 4 na is 8 na 168 you multiply by 8 and the sum the shida big gap chambuda so larger number twice the mother 8 is 64 6 8 48 48 plus 6 54 5 8 1 is 8 13 etc so 8 you put 8 so 1 3 4 4 0 so square root of 774.44 is equal to 8.8 okay this is right square root of 0.0256 0.0256 the 0.0256 ci porta ya to so ta de na 0.0256 decimal point ma error da angini este decimal point dil lang na decimal point ya angini decimal point ki jele na decimal point ma angini ro da okay the first bar do ma dong ngi tang decimal point do you put decimal point up that's 02 there or 2 that ang whole number 2 sha 2 nearest number do 1 is the 1 1 1 you subtract 1 and next you take it 5 6 the 1 double down 1 double down we get 2 multiply by 2 1 multiply by 2 not don't think about the decimal place only think about the number decimal point some da chet number ju sam da 2 and 2 that's 6 rang ha do 6 rang 4 da 6 rang 6 da okay either 24 or 26 you multiply by 4 you multiply by 6 okay so now 4 for 16 for 8 9 96 6 is 36 3 12 156 exact answer the so 6 6 156 okay did it this long division method the long division method de kale kha wodu lasna tang ye third method lago ones place and tens place lago that the cause get that next day find square root test no kadin number perfect square number tigir okay then third method labinda third method lang iti test chest tang somebody this chest tang wa and the page pair on the thing 1 square equals to 1 2 square equals to 4 3 square is equal to 9 4 square is equal to 16 5 square is equal to 25 6 square is equal to 36 7 square equals to 49 8 square is equal to 64 and 9 square equals to 81 dikinda that's 0 the chelo okay the guessing in number chip pension nang tamul number lelo sto ra dina 961. If you are asked to find the square root of 961, right? 961 the square root cell as na tanga prime factor method kala khabor ngala, right? Long division method kala khabor. Division method pu slow la ne duzra ta di samata answer ki pa draw la. And the shortcut method, right? Okay. First you look at the unit place of this number. Got 1 do. Oh, unit place 1 ang kal gar da. 1 de do, the 1 do. Unit place 1 ang ang near either 1 re or 9. Chiding it ba? Given number the square root la unit place 1 ang la either 1 or 9 ni ra so. Oh, 1 or 9 ni ra so. Okay, tadini number ni pa so. Tipo asuba. Suna karase 9. 9 the perfect square ni sho karta. Venu. 9 the perfect square ni sho karta na. 9 x de do. 9 the correct square do. 3 square do. All the tens place char. The 3 chart tens place. 3. That number given 961 gi number the perfect square kale yawani either 31 or 39. Chignal chikda chigne gura number the 31 square or 39 square la. Ta koni kangida ta de bane number the card 3 do unit square as 3 ki next number kare 4 or 3 multiply 3 next number 3 4 so 3 12. The product dida number how many ching do product the chain you take the small number, product chungena you take the larger number. Then the good 중이 la dumari 중이 체라 product the 체도 중이 체 number 12 is greater than 9. Therefore square root of 961 is small number 31. Take it out. Perfect square number. Example ko sumasa example jing kon do. Shortcut method. Okay, 400 square root of 484. First place you look at the unit place. 4 the 4 kare the unit place na the unit place 4 days do 4 days do the 4 kar do 2 square da the 4 unit place 4 anga do 8 square da unit place 4 do. Okay, china unit place the kare na unit place or ones place 2 or 8 square 64 agdo 2 square 4 agdo unit place 4 anga angni dos 2 square tanere 8 square tanere 4 agdo start. The tens place number tangigi number ni sin no command de exact ragu na delete new sam tangota ta na 4 exact da 2 square da tens place kare 2 ra de inba therefore number kare 22 or 28 char. That 22 in 22 multiplied by 22 say 28 multiplied by 28 and to go ra is money the number card the 2 ra 2 square or 2 the next multiply 2 multiplied by 3 goes 6 product the number ta 6 is greater than 4 product chain ang chung the killer so product the chung product the chung number chain kit or die you need to check it product the chung number the chung so the chain number the chung che product the chung give number lama dele chung you take large number so the 6 is greater than 4 therefore square root of 484 is 22 or 28 the che number chung the ta product the che dos number okay that gives the choice square thing in last number 1764 1764 ang ito the point is someone at 1764 try ta keze because try che ani to okay 1764 unit to the 4 do ones place one place khali de 4 and 2 the 8 the 2 or 8 share the stay. Okay, number you must up. Colors. We have 17. 17 years called the perfect square. 6 to the okay. 10's place. 4 square 16. That number give the number is square either 42 or 48. 42 or 48 days. See more down what. The 42 to 40 near 10's place number the 4 next number is 20 or 20 chair the 17 chair 20 chair 20 chair number 2. Therefore, square root of 1764 is equal to 42. Okay. Today the running a division method. Lot of now prime factors the division method. The digare lot of chilot. Guess it go shoot in the square same the division. Shortcut method and coxy jatu today. Okay, the method some to slavere. Lot of chilot in it. Okay. That now topic to make the given number perfect square like this. You get perfect cube and cube root the lab like comparison to the bonnet in jungle large. Okay, that then topic is out. Next topic is a cube and cube root in that class 8 in Bana. Okay, I'm not shaggy class 8.